3D puzzles, or are they model kits with their flat sheets and their press out parts that can make into some pretty impressive models? You can explore space, build world famous landmarks in a variety of scales, even the ways to travel to, and maybe the odd flight of fancy. There's certainly a great range to choose from, so we've taken 6 of these kits to build and review for you, and here they are. Hello and welcome to a little thing that we like to call Let's Assemble 3D Puzzles. Well, they're actually kits, aren't they really? Let's be realistic. When you put these flat pieces together and you create something like this, which is a Supermarine Spitfire, RJ Mitchell's finest, it's a model kit, isn't it? Let's be honest. And our first kit that we're going to be building just for you is nice and simple and available. It's the BAE Hawk T-Mark 1 of the Royal Air Force display team, the Red Arrows. So without further ado, let's assemble. A little look at the back of the packet shows us that, gives us some details on the aircraft itself, that it can travel at Mach 1.2. Now, as with most of these things, piece of cardboard. Oh, wow, we've got a piece of cardboard and more cellophane. Yay, great. Now there's the destruction sheet. As we can see, we'll just get those out of the way. And this is what's in the box, wrapped in cellophane. So we'll just use our super duper little tool here to break the cellophane. Hope we don't damage any parts. There we go. Now it's very basic construction on this one. That's why I picked this for the first kit. Wanted something nice and simple to start the series off. And here we can see, oops, I'm really pressing the things out. That's sheets 1 and 2. There's 4 sheets, and of course sheets 3 and 4. According to this, we don't need glue and we don't need anything else. So we'll start with the instruction leaflet. British Aerospace Hawk T-Mark 1 of the Royal Air Force display team, the Red Arrows. At only 21 pieces, the Hawk had the least amount of kit parts, but built into a nice representation of the Hawk aircraft. A simple and solid build which only took about 25 minutes. Most parts fitted easily. The only small problem was with the tabs on the canopy, which didn't want to fit but could be eased into place with one of the tools. We'll show you how to make at the end of this. We particularly like the tabs and the slots being numbered for ease of assembly. The instructions were also very simple and also very clear, as you can see, and very easy to follow. We'd recommend this kit at around a £5. It's simple, it's solid. Tooltip, you do get some of these with them. Guess what that one's from? Various ones of these, which are tools to basically poke the holes out and everything, but one thing they don't give you is a tool to help ease tabs into slots, especially when they're on things like corners. Corners are a bit of a pain. So what I like to use is I take one of these glue spreaders like this and a pair of scissors, and if you're a youngster, you can get your mum and dad to do this for you. Now if you cut the glue spreader like that, it's a narrow bit there, so the blade is actually, the bit there is stiffer. You cut it like that, and now you've got something that you can help ease tabs into slots, or hook underneath things to pull a tab out. If it's basically a very useful little tool to have when you're making these kits. So if you're making a lot of these kits, or you start enjoying making them and you want to have a bit of a special tool for them, that is quite a good one. Just get some of these glue spreaders. They're about £1 and you get about 4. Well, that's all we've got time for this show. We hope you enjoyed it and hope you enjoy doing your modelling. So until next time, we'll see you then.